Welcome to the deep dive. You've probably seen the ads everywhere recently, this viral thing, the Wuffy Robot Dog. And it's, very slick website, GetWuffy.com. Hard to miss. Looks like a pretty amazing gift, actually.
Well, absolutely. It looks fantastic. The ultimate AI-powered smart puppy, they say. Walks, barks, even learns with your child, apparently. So our job today, really, is to look at the source material we have, try to ignore the cute videos for a second, and figure out if this whole thing is legit or, well, if it's maybe a bit suspicious. We need to cut through all that advertising hype.
Yeah, the hype is definitely strong. And the site, GetWuffy.com, it makes some big claims, like it's an AI robot dog, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, and this is the big one. They say they have over 1,000 verified customer reviews, a 4.7-star rating. That sounds pretty established, like a brand you can trust.
It sounds like it, yeah. But that kind of falls apart pretty quickly when you actually dig in. Our source material looked really closely at those reviews, and while, 4.7 stars looks great on paper, the actual language in a lot of them, it's weirdly similar, very generic.
Yeah.
Stock phrases. It almost feels like maybe the same person wrote a bunch of them, often posted really close together, like within a day or two. That lack of sort of real messy detail you get in genuine reviews, that's the first big red flag.
Huh. So the reviews feel kind of boilerplate. Okay. So what about the website itself? The digital nuts and bolts. You ran GetWuffy.com through Scam Advisor, right? For listeners, that site checks things like who owns the site, is the contact info hidden, stuff like that. What did that check show? What was the score?
Yeah, we did. And the score was, well, it was bad, really bad. It came back at just 31 out of 100.
31.
Well, yeah. And let me be clear. 31 isn't just needs a bit of work. It's a major warning, a big flashing light. It means fundamental things about who's running the site, how transparent they are. It's all really, really low. Scam Advisor literally flags the site as suspicious.
Okay, 31 out of 100. That is, yeah, that's shocking. Especially for something claiming thousands of happy customers all over the world. But wait, you said the biggest red flag in the source material was about the timeline.
Yeah.
This is where it gets really interesting, isn't it?
This is it. This is the key thing. The absolute disconnect. The actual domain name, GetWuffy.com. It was registered barely 1 month ago.
1 month.
1 month. Now put that next to the claims on the website. Worldwide happy customers, a proven product. It just doesn't add up. You simply cannot build up a reputation with thousands of verified, satisfied customers globally. When your entire online presence is less than 30 days old, it's, it's basically impossible. Extremely brazen, too.
Wow. That's incredible. So a brand new site actively flagged as suspicious, pushing reviews that look fake. The whole backstory seems, made up. So, okay, what does this actually mean for you, the listener? Maybe thinking, oh, that looks like a great Christmas gift. This isn't just like maybe getting a slightly dodgy toy.
No, not at all. It means you could be paying for something that just never arrives, full stop. Or maybe you get a box, but inside is just some cheap plastic thing. Definitely not the AI smart puppy that learns. It lacks all those promised features.
Right, the risk is real.
Exactly. So based purely on that timeline mismatch, the super short domain age versus the massive claims of happy customers, the whole thing looks highly questionable. Honestly, the advice from our investigation has to be avoid it. Steer clear of this particular viral ad.
Okay, so let's just zoom out for a final thought here. If a company can seemingly just invent thousands of happy customers, get ads everywhere, and do all this in under 30 days, even with a terrible trust score like 31, how much can we really trust any super hyped online offer without doing basic checks? Maybe the big takeaway for you listening is this. Next time something online feels a bit too perfect or the deal seems unbelievably good, take literally 30 seconds, check the domain age. It's simple, that quick check. It might just be your best defense against these digital ghost ships, as it were. Something to think about.